Hi friends, in this video we try to understand the basic concepts of searching and one popular searching technique called linear search mechanism. First we look at what do you mean by searching. Searching, we see the definition of a searching. It is a process or method to check whether a particular value is present in the array or not. Now we see another basic point, that is key. What do you mean by key? The value to be searched in the array is called key. Whatever the value you would like to search in the array, that value is called key. Now we understand the third point, that is successful search. When a searching process is said to be successful, if key is found in the array, then the searching process or searching mechanism is said to be successful. Now we see what do you mean by unsuccessful search. So unsuccessful search means if key is not found in the array, then the searching process or searching mechanism is said to be unsuccessful search. So now we try to understand one of the popular searching techniques is linear search mechanism. We try to understand it. So linear search, it is a simple and easy technique. This short searching technique is very simple and easy technique. This searching process can be applicable on both ordered and unordered set of values. Meaning is that you can apply this searching technique, the values which are already in sorted order like ascending order, descending order or alphabetical order, or the values are not in sorted order. This searching process can be applicable on both ordered and unordered set of values. There is no condition to apply the searching process. Now look at the third point about linear search. This searching process starts by comparing key with first element in the array or list. So first what we do is we compare the key. As we know that key is nothing but the value to be searched. Which value you would like to search, that is called key, is compared with first element of the array. If both are matched, meaning is that both are matched means both key and the array values, if both are same or equal, then the result is key is found. We say that simply key is found. If the array value and key value, if both are same means we say that key is found. Otherwise key is compared with the next element in the array or list. Try to understand. First we are comparing the key value with first element of the array. If both are same or equal, then we say that key is found. If both are not same or equal, we compare the key with next element in the list or array. Okay. Repeat the same process until key is compared with last element in the array or list. So the same procedure we continue till we compare the key with the last element or last value of the array. If that last element also does not match, that means if the key element is not equal to last value of the array or last element of the array, then the result is key is not found in the array or list. Then simply we say that key is not found in the array, meaning is that key is not existing in the array values. When key is not found in the array means we say that our searching process is unsuccessful. That means how we compared? The key is compared with element by element in the array or list. So in the linear search mechanism, we compare key one by one element of the array. If both key and array element are same or equal, meaning is that match is found, then we say that key is found and searching process is said to be successful. If key is not matching with or key is not equal to any one of the array values, then we say that key is not found and searching process is said to be unsuccessful. Make a note of it. Linear search mechanism is also called sequential search mechanism. We are comparing key with the array elements one by one in a sequence, one after the another. That's why the linear search mechanism is also called sequential search mechanism. That's why the linear search mechanism is also called sequential search mechanism. Now we try to understand the linear search mechanism by looking at the example. Look at this example 1. Consider the following list or array elements and the element to be searched. So I consider the array values or list values are 25, 30, 11, 23, 21. These are the array values I considered. Searching element or key value is here. I am using it as 11. So this value I would like to search in the array values. First I arrange all the given values in the array. So here first value is 25, second value is 30, third value is 11, fourth value is 23, fifth value is 21. So I arranged in the array. So first value index is, if you look at first value index is 0, second value index is 1, third value index is 2, fourth value index is 3, fifth value index is 4. Now according to the linear search mechanism, so in the first step or step 1, the key element, what the key value here 11 is compared with first element or first value of the array. What the first value of the array? That is 25. So I compare the key value, that is 11, with first element of the array, that is 11. So here 25 and 11 both are compared. 11 is here key value is compared with first value of the array, that is 25, which is in green color, that is first value, which is in yellow color is called key. So key value compared with first value of the array. Now key and first element of the array are same. No, both are not equal or same. That means not matching. Key is not matching with first element of the array. Key value is 11, first element of the array is 25. Both are not same. When both are not same, here when both are not same or matching, we continue the same process. What the process now? The key, that is 11, is compared with second element of the array. What is the second element of the array? If you look at the array elements, what is the second element of the array? That is 30. So now the key, that is 11, is compared with second element of the array, that is 30. So 30 is the array element, second element of the array, that is 30, and key values or key is 11. I compare key, that is 11, with second element of the array, that is 30. Both are same. No, both are not equal or same, not matching. Key is not matching with array element, that is 30. So we move to the next step, that is step 3. What is step 3? Now the key element, that is 11, is compared with third element of the array. What is the third element of the array? If you look at the array element carefully, what is the third element of the array? 11. So I compare key, this is key, and what is the third element of the array? That is 11. So both key value and array value, third value, both are same, both are equal. Then when both are equal, here both are equal or same, that means matching. Key value is matching with third element of the array, that is 11, means key is found. We say that key is found. 11 is found in the array. Where 11 is found? If you observe, where 11 is there in the array? 11 is there at index 2. If you carefully observe, the third value is there at index 2. So simply we say that key is found in the array at index 2. If you carefully observe the position also, that is found at index 2. So this is called a successful search. Why we are saying that it is a successful search? Why? Because key is found in the array. This is how the linear search mechanism works. Now we see one more example on linear search mechanism. Consider the following list or array of elements and the element to be searched. Two things you have to consider. You have to consider array of elements and searching element or key element. So I assumed the array values are 25, 30, 11, 23, 21. 5 values I considered in the array, and the searching element or key value is 1. I would like to search the value 1 in the array of values. First, before I apply the linear search mechanism, first I arrange the values in the array. So first value is 25, second value is 30, third value is 11, fourth value is 23, fifth value is 21. Now don't forget, what is the value you would like to search? 1 you would like to set, that is the key in the array of values. So the step 1 or first step, first the key value. What is the key value? 1 is compared with first element of the array. What is the first element of the array? If you carefully observe, it is 25, the first element. So key is compared with first element of the array, that is 25. So key is 1 compared with 25. So 1 and 25 both are equal? No. So both are not matching. That means key is not matching with 25. So what we do? We have to compare key with next element of the array. That is step 2. So if you observe step 2. Now the key value, that is 1, is compared with second element of the array. What is the second element of the array? It is 30. Now the key is compared with, what is the key value? 1 is compared with second element of the array, that is 30. Now 1 and 30, 1 is key, 30 is second element of the array. Both are same? No, both are not equal or same. That means key is not matching with array element. So what we supposed to do? We have to compare key element or key with the third element of the array. So that is step 3. If you look at step 3, Now key, that is 1, is compared with third element of the array, that is 11. So what is the third element of the array? 11. What is the key element? 1. 1 and 11 both are same. Look at, 1 is nothing but key. Don't forget, key element is which value we are searching? 1. 1 and 11 are same. Both are not equal or same. That means not matching. Key is not matching with array element. So in the next step, that is step 4, now the key, that is 1, or the key value 1, is compared with fourth element of the array. What is the fourth element of the array? That is 23 is the fourth element of the array. And what is the key value? 1. I am comparing key value with fourth element of the array, that is 23. 1 and 23 are both are same. No, both are not same or equal. Means key is not matching with array element. So we continue the same process. What is the same process? We have to compare key value with the next element in the array. So in the next step, step 5, now the key, that is 1, is compared with fifth element of the array. What is the fifth element of the array? That is 21. Fifth element of the array is 21. What is the key value? 1. Both are same. 1 and 21 are same. No, both are not equal. So that means key is not matching with array element. We have to continue the same process, but we compared the key with all the array elements one by one, but no match is found. Meaning is that key is not equal to any array element. So first, if you look at these 5 steps, first 1 is compared with 25, both are not equal. Then 1 is compared with 30, both are not equal. 1 is compared with 11, both are not equal. 1 is compared with 23, both are not equal. 1 is compared with 21, both are not equal. That means the key is compared with all the array elements one by one, but there is no match is found. Key is not equal to any one of the array values. So then we conclude that key is not found in the array. We simply say that, so simply we say that key is not found in the array. So this is called unsuccessful searching mechanism. Now the searching process is said to be unsuccessful. This is the example for unsuccessful search. So thank you very much for listening. If you like the video, please share with your friends and others, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much.